I would do anything for love. I'd run right into hell and back.
My hart is vol en doen dit spesiaal vir my sis. Sy's regtig 'n amazing mens en ja, dis die minste. As ek so klein bietjie kan doen vir haar laat sy beter voel, dan doen ek dit met liefde.
As ek net dink waar jy Gerdie gaan, is hierdie regtig niks nie. So it's all for you my love.
So op my senuwees, maar ek weet dit is die regte ding om te doen. Ek voel ek lê my trots neer vir 'n vriendin wat deur baie erger gaan.
Okay, girl. Showtime!
But I won't do that.
I was born ready.
Do that. And some nights you're breathing fire, and some nights you're caught in ice. Some nights you're like nothing I've ever seen before. Will again. Maybe I'm crazy, oh it's crazy and it's true. I know you can save me, no one else can save me now but you. As long as the planets are turning, as long as the stars are burning, as long as your dreams are coming true, you better believe it, that I would do anything for love.
Ek dink sy gaan baie gelukkig wees, ek dink sy gaan kwaad wees, ek dink sy gaan hartseer wees, maar dis alles vir 'n goeie doel.
I would do anything for love. Oh, I would do anything for love. I would do anything for love, but I won't do that.
Jy lyk vrot mooi, hoor?
Will you raise me up? Will you help me down? Will you make it all a little less cold? I can do that.
Dit was amazing om te dink, net Gerdie se gesig te kon sien.
Ek het een ding geleer vanoggend, mens haar is maar 'n klein deeltjie van jou. En dat jou grootste gawe is die feit dat jy gesond is.
Ek was net bly, dankbaar dat ek 'n instrument in Gerdie se orkes is.
And I would do